Hi everyone, it's that time of the year again. It's Christmas cake and Christmas pudding making time. So I've had the fruit for the pudding and the cake soaking for about a month or so. This is for the pudding and I've had that soaking in a jar, and this is the cake. And this is the fruit for the cake. I've used a mixture of brandy and sherry to soak these. You can use whatever alcohol you have, and if you don't want to use alcohol, you can use black tea. You could use fruit juice, but I wouldn't advise doing that for ages in advance. I would do that a day or two before you mean to use the fruit. The reason for that is that the fruit juice will ferment, and with all the sugar in that, probably ferment quite quickly, and you'll end up with alcohol anyway. So yeah, I am going to start making these. They cook quite differently. The cake obviously is cooked in the oven. The pudding is a suet pudding, and that's steamed, and we'll steam that for a few hours today, more than a few hours, and then that gets put away, and on Christmas Day it then gets steamed again. And for your daily pinky dose, I think someone wants attention, and this is the way she knows she always gets it, because she just is so darn cute. Pinky, Pinky. All the fruit. And I would say, I think it's better to use actual bread for your breadcrumbs. I know you can buy like packets of dried breadcrumbs, and if you can get good quality ones where it actually is like proper bread, fine, but otherwise I think they're quite artificial, and I don't know how they would affect the outcome of this recipe. And this is the suet I'm using. I'm using the vegetable suet. They do have obviously beef suet as well, so that goes in as well. So that's a teaspoon of mixed spice. This is the ground almonds. That's one egg. So you just want to keep stirring it all together until it's all just well incorporated and there's no dry flour left. And it's such a heavy mixture that it does give your arm a bit of a nice workout. They just need to be well buttered and then it is as simple as pop in the mixture in. Oh. I'm going to tie that nice and tightly. These get covered in foil, pretty much in the same way. So we're going to make a fold. This is much easier than the paper because it sticks in place, and I've actually found some brown string rather than the green. Now with this one, you're going to pull it round. You want enough to go round a couple of times. So you're going to go round, and this isn't exact, this is just what works for me. Pull it tight, as tightly as you can. Take the string back round. Make a knot. Okay, and then you're going to take it over to the top like that, and then feed it through this other side. Just like that. So feed it through, and I might even do that a couple of times just to secure it slightly. And then that goes back over the top like that, so you've doubled the handle. Come back round to that side, and then you're going to just tie that to this side and make a good knot. And what that does is it gives you a nice little handle that you can use when you're putting in and out of your pot to steam it. And then I'm going to pop these in. Put the lid on and turn that on, and that's now going to cook for about 5 hours. Hi everyone, so the cake cooked obviously yesterday, and I just left it in the tin and let it cool and just stay there overnight. And I'm going to now feed it with some brandy, which I'm going to warm slightly, and then that can go away. I'll wrap that up and that can go away for Christmas. And then I'll take it out probably when I get time really, but it'll be probably a couple of days before Christmas Day to ice it or marzipan it. I don't tend to, for me personally, I'm not a big fan on thick royal icing on the Christmas cake. It's just, as a family, what we've always traditionally just put marzipan on it, and that's the way we've done it. But obviously if you want to marzipan it and ice it, that's absolutely fine, but I'll probably do that about 2 days before Christmas. So the puddings are all done. I cooked those for probably about 5.5 hours, all of these together, and they will then go away to mature. Obviously it's not that far till Christmas, so as I say before, I should have done it earlier in the year, because the longer you leave it, the better the flavour is. So let's feed this and then they can go away. And I think that's it. Just turn it over so that we can, just got a skewer here which I'm going to pop holes all over. Thank you so much for joining me today and yesterday making the Christmas cake and puddings. Please like and subscribe. It makes such a difference to our channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.